The benefits of having an off-road motorcycle is a little bit, yeah, that's why you need an adventure motorcycle. That's a lot better. Yeah, what is, yeah, wait a little longer to go to the right. Yeah, sure. So this time yet again for the one-handed McDonald's drive-in, because we're gonna need one hand to get our asses out here. So yet again we are back heading our asses home from, oh, it's a Belrose Classics. Look at that. Friends of mine from Yale, Belrose Classics. They make very cool old-timers. They restore them and whatnot, and they built them from scratch. Yeah, really cool people. So yeah, anyway, we have come back from Ducati Desert with the new Desert X Rally. Somebody no, it's not somebody I don't know in there. With the Desert X Rally, coming back from Ducati Desert with the yeah, what is, yeah, wait a little longer to go to the right. Yeah, sure. So yeah, brand spanking new. It's also got 666 kilometers, which means yes, Uncle Smokey is riding this in as well. Now I have been just talking with the yeah, the full review is coming on this motorcycle. I know a lot of stuff about it, but it's been a long time before I was riding the previous generation of the first one of the Rally X's. So yeah, I don't really know a lot about it anymore. I've been doing too many motorcycles and my brain is very foggy lately, so I do forget a lot of things. Wait, what was I saying again? So yeah, the full review on this motorcycle will be here soon. No worries about that. Still have to like figure out. I know it has like new suspension and new wheels and GPS bracket over there. That's not new, but the other things are new. So yeah, we gotta figure some stuff out about this bike before we start talking. Hello, young man. Hello. I think it's a man. These days can't really be sure anymore. So yet again, very smooth sailing, very smooth riding, not high RPMs, just breaking it in. I've just been talking with a dealer, and in the last video with the Multistrada Grand Tour, a lot of people have been asking me like, Smokey, sorry, hey, it's like 60,000 kilometer valve clearance interval. What does it cost? Oh, what does it cost? Oh boy, I was like, yeah, it's a Ducati, it's a shitload of money, but it's not that bad because, well, if you need the valve clearance check, most of the times they don't need to do anything. Sometimes they need to do a lot. And why is that? Well, the break-in period. It turns out the dealer said that you can tell who has been taking very good care of his motorcycle in the break-in period and who has not when you do the first 60,000 kilometer valve clearance checkup. When you do that, yeah, you can tell who has not been idling it to make it warm, who was flooring it the first 1,000 kilometers and stuff like that. Now don't you worry, you can of course do like 1 or 2 times. You can give it a little bit of gas after you heat it up. It's not a problem whatsoever. But yeah, the break-in period, a lot of shifting, a lot of smooth riding. Don't be an idiot with it, just don't do it. It's not a good thing. But yeah, that's what I said. So the valve clearance, not only do they just do of course the valve clearance check, because part of the subframe needs to come off, the water coolers in the front, the radiators, there's like a lot of stuff that needs to be taken apart, and it's about a day work, a full day of work for a Ducati mechanic to do the service and stuff, because, well, the oil okay, so the oil needs to go anyway. The oil needs to be taken off, and they also changed a lot of gaskets on the inside. They put new oil on it, new spark plugs, new this. So the 60,000 kilometer maintenance service interval is a big maintenance as well. And the owner said like, yeah, every time it's different. Sometimes the oil is way more dirtier as other times. Sometimes it's more work. Other gaskets and O-rings need to be changed. But on average, it's about 1,200 euros. On average. Can be a little bit more. Probably not going to be too much less. But I always thought like, hey, the whole bike needs to be taken apart. That is way more than 1,200, but it turns out it's not. I thought it was like going to be like 2.5 grand. Everybody's always very scared of it, but did that bike have its valve clearance before I buy it? Because, you know, it's a lot of money. But, you know, you got to take it into consideration. So 1,250 euros on average, that's a whole lot of buck money. Yeah. So today's video, we are just riding the Rally X, and they also put crash bars on it. They were like, hey, is Smokey taking the new Rally X as well, the Desert X? And Ducati was like, yeah, he's taking it, so yeah, we gotta we gotta put crash protection on it this time for Uncle Smokey, because yeah, you know this guy, so yeah, they put it on. But or maybe it's stock, I'm not really sure if they knew I was taking it or it's stock. I gotta figure that out as well. So like I said, I have to figure out a lot about this motorcycle before I take it off-roading. But damn, like I said, the seat height is very high, so that is kind of scary to take it off-road. Only when I'm doing some deep mud, it is good, because then I can actually touch the ground a little bit better. So yeah, in the next video, after this one, we're gonna do the full nice on review. So yeah, we got a lot of figuring out to do. We got rally mode, we got enduro mode, touring, sport, urban, and wet. That is a whole lot of modes. Now, of course, I'm just gonna leave it into I'm just gonna leave it into sport, because I like to ride a little bit sporty on the road. We got the Olin steering damper. Oh, this is some nice suspension as well, and also it's pretty comfy. Now the seat, of course, is a little bit narrow for the more rally riding, where you take some corners and stick out your foot and stuff like that for the more off-roading riding. But and this gearbox is even a little bit smoother. For some reason, the other Desert X was a little bit more clunky, a little bit more mechanic, just like I want it to be in a Ducati DNA. But this one feels a little bit smoother as the Multistrada V4S Grand Tour. That is weird. I thought that would be a little bit more smoother, but as far as I can tell already, this feels a little bit smoother. That is strange. So yeah, we gonna have to take this bad boy off road. We gotta try some stuff with it for sure. I'm on my way home, but I'm a little bit hungry. And last time I passed the McDonald's, somebody said like, Smokey, why are you not doing the one-handed clutch thingy with the McDonald's anymore? And I'm like, you know, if I pick 2 motorcycles up each week, I have to go to McDonald's 2 times a week, and I don't want to become like overweight. And I don't really mind being overweight, but eating too much McDonald's and fast food just fogs up my brain. My brain gets like very foggy from all the grease and the fat. It just goes straight into my head. But anyway, I am very hungry, and I've been working a lot lately, so let's spoil myself. Let's go. There's a Pizza Hut over there. Pizza for midday use? Nah, not yet. I do like McDonald's drive-ins, by the way, with a motorcycle. I don't really complain. Maybe have like chicken wrap or something. That would be nice. That's a big ticket for one burger. Yeah. So this time, yet again, for the one-handed McDonald's drive-in, because we're gonna need one hand to get our asses out here. Hello. Let's see what we can do. Ooh, thank you.
Rally Dakar.
Ducati Perez Dakar. Ciao. What the hell just happened? What the hell just happened there? I have no idea. That was hilarious. Oh shit, I forgot to do a one-hander. Oh man. Anyway, this also works, so yeah. I got distracted by this friendly guy. I got really distracted. So I don't think this thing has a center stand, so now I'm not really sure how I'm gonna... Oh, I can't get over the red line. Oh shit, I think they painted this stuff. Oh, not gonna go over that. Sorry guys, you probably... I can't really go back. Are they looking? No, they're not looking. Screw that. I'm just going over that. A little red on the tire, never hurt nobody. Oh yeah, got some free space over here. Luckily, I found the space. Oh Jesus, this thing is high off the ground. And this kickstand is also... The kickstand is a little bit... My foot is like in the way, so I gotta do something. This is weird. Ducati, this is a weird stance. Ugh. Holy shit, that thing is ridiculously high. Anyway, let's have some quick food, because I have a busy day ahead of me. Yeah, in Belgium we got these small chicken wraps. I think they're like made for kids, but they also, everywhere I go, they always stick to the paper. Look, and you absolutely destroy them. Look at that. Every single time they are stuck to the paper. Why don't they fix this? Has nobody complained that they stuck to the paper like that? McDonald's, what's going on here? Most of the time I'm going with a Big Mac, but today I'm going with the McCrispy. Let me know in the comments. McCrispy or Big Mac? Or something else? What burger do you guys get from the McDonald's? Or do you get a salad? You're a salad man? Alright, ready, set, go. Time to go and bail again. Wasn't that bad. Probably gonna have the shits tomorrow, but it is what it is. You always have to make those life choices when it comes to food. I like my local nasty kebabs, But I know in advantage, I always ask myself, do I need to go somewhere tomorrow in the morning? Because I know for a fact I'm gonna have the shits of the kebab I'm going to be eating, but it's going to taste nice. So I take the shits for granted. Anyway, I just looked it up. Seating height is 910 millimeter stock. 900, and this is weird. Guys, what in the world? I can hardly get the thing away. Lowered suspension, it's like 880. So it's not lowered suspension, it's the lowered seat. So the lowered rally seat is about 3 centimeters lower. That is not that bad. That's a big difference though. But then again, 910, that is very high. And Smokey is 1 meter and 76 centimeters, as everybody know, with an inseam of about 80 centimeters. So for some, who is she waving at? So that is pretty high. Now off-road wise, that is pretty good. Unless you have to put your foot on the ground, that is not bad. But holy cow. Also 110 horsepower, about 92 newton meters of torque. And also got a very nice carbon fiber bottom plate. I do like that. I just saw it. I was like, holy cow, that looks incredibly good. Anyway, let's get this show back on the road. Please, lady, today, lady, please. So yeah, good McDonald's lunch. You can never go wrong with a crispy McChicken. I forgot to have a drink, and I also forgot to do the one-handed drive-through with my Coke, and then I throw the Coke away. Hey, you guys know the drill. But hey, maybe next time when I'm thirsty, we can do that again. Now I have to get my arse home because I have to pick up my car again from the dealership before it closes. Also the Brembo brakes. You can never go wrong with Brembo brakes in Ducati. It's always a good mix. But nice, sir. He's already laughing. Now you can't go wrong with Ducati and Brembo brakes. But like I said before, the RS Brembo brakes versus a Grand Tour Multistrada V4S brakes, that is a whole lot of difference. Now this motorcycle, I've been just reading when I was having dinner. I was reading about the Ducati Multistrada X Rally. Ducati Multistrada X Rally. That is not true. It is the Ducati Desert X Rally. There are so many words in these motorcycles these days. So yeah, anyway, the wait, what was I saying again? Oh no, brain fog. So yeah, on the Ducati website, the only thing that I could see that they were telling about this motorcycle, off-road, and more off-road. Like really everything had to do with off-road. And also Antoine Meillot, like the professional Ducati rider, he's a world champion enduro. He also did a Edsberg rodeo with it. And like the first prologue or so, he finished first. He finished first with this bike. Yeah, it's probably like a longer part on the route that you can do a high speeds with, but still, if you finish first on a motorcycle like this, you're a freaking absolute legend. Golly. Ah, so smooth. Anyway, I'm sweet camera. Anyway, I'm getting my ass home, and that's also my office. I have an office over there. But for the Smokey Tube YouTube course, that's my office over there. So if you ever become my student, you can come to the office and I'll train you some YouTube stuff. Yeah. Anyway, thank you guys all so much for watching. Gonna end the video here. I need to learn a lot more about the Ducati Desert X. I'm flying also to Barcelona next day with a Hyundai, and I have some more stuff going on. So I'm very busy. But have no fear. I will make a decent video of this, riding it on and off road, so I can tell my honest opinion about it. I really like it. Anyway, thank you all so much for watching. Make sure you like this video, subscribe, and I will see you guys in the next one. Don't forget to drive safe. See ya. If you want to see the next video, it is right over there. If you want to see my favorite video, it is right over there. Subscribing is done right over here. And if you want to know all about YouTube, go to smokytube.com. See you guys next one, or click one of these.